Hi guys, as you know, you're required to complete 2 Achieve articles a week. That means you need to complete 8 Achieve articles a month. So some of those articles will be done at home, while others will be done here at school. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to log into the program, how to navigate the program, and how to complete all the steps in order to receive full credit. The first step is to go to the Horry County Schools webpage. From there, you're going to click on the middle school puzzle piece. That's the orange one under Student Learning Commons. From there, you will click on Online Learning and then click on Achieve 3000. That will take you to the Clever login page. From there, all you do is click on the Achieve 3000 app and you're ready to go. Here you see your Achieve 3000 homepage. In the green banner at the top, you're going to notice that they have an article of the day. Also, if I assign an article, that will appear there as well. So all you need to do is click on the Start Lesson tab and you will begin the process. Here you see the before reading poll. It will give you a statement or a question, and then you need to either agree or disagree and explain why you voted the way you did. Once you've submitted your answer, it will take you to the article. There will either be a pop-up screen or to the right there will be a box that says vocabulary. Please be sure to look at those vocabulary terms because sometimes they show up in the activity. Now you're ready to begin reading the article. What you're going to notice is between each paragraph, there are going to be 2 circular arrows. When you click on those arrows, you will have the choice between summarize, generate questions, or setting the purpose. We're going to be using the summarize. You are required to summarize the beginning of the article, the middle of the article, and the end of the article, roughly. Once you have summarized the beginning, the middle, and the end of the article, you're ready to move on to the activity. Click on the green activity button, and you're going to see a series of questions. But what you notice is you can only see one question at a time. So if you want to see all questions, you can simply click on the print page, hit print this step, and there'll be a pop-up screen that shows you all 8 questions. This is really helpful because now you can go back to your article and you can look for these specific questions. Another useful tool I want to point out to you is the highlighter tool. So if you've clicked on the activity and you've looked at all the questions, you can go back to the article and look for those answers. And when you find them, you highlight it and choose a color. The nice thing is it saves all of your highlights for you. This might come in handy later on in the thought question. So if you click on this little piece of paper with the 3 highlight colors, a pop-up will show what you've highlighted and you can simply copy it and paste it into your thought question whenever you need textual evidence. Another way to reference both the article and the question is to click on the Refer to Article. So when you're on a specific question and you don't quite know the answer, you can click on Refer to Article and it'll bring up the article in a separate window so that you can read it and answer the question at the same time. Remember, you have to get a 75% or higher to receive credit for this article on the first try. So you want to utilize all of these tools to help you get the results that you need in order to receive full credit. The before reading poll, the article, and the activity are the 3 required steps to receive credit for the 8 articles per month. But once every 2 weeks, you are going to be required to complete the thought question. The thought question will ask you to write a response, and that's where those highlighting tools come in handy. Whatever textual evidence you've highlighted in the article can simply be copied and pasted into your response for reference. Don't forget to cite that information. In case the article of the day doesn't interest you, you can always go up to the search tool, you can type in a topic, and you'll see a variety of articles about the topic of your choice. Be sure that the article that you choose includes all of the steps that you need. Okay? If I click on the first one, it's just a writing prompt. That's not going to be helpful towards your 8 articles that you need to complete. However, if I click on Not Only Soccer, Smiles Too, you're going to see that has all the steps you need to complete this article for your 8 articles per month. So that's just a quick tutorial to show you around Achieve 3000 and to talk about the requirements and the expectations of what you need to complete each month. If you ever forget, you can always come back to this tutorial to refresh your memory.